Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to see and remove draft messages in Messenger. So, let's dive right in. Open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Look at your list of chats. You'll see the name of each person you've chatted with, along with a preview of the most recent message. If you have a draft message in a conversation, you'll see the word draft written in blue text next to the person's name. Once you've identified the conversation with the draft, removing it is simple. Tap on the conversation with the draft label. The draft message will be automatically displayed in the chat box. Here's your choice. If you want to send the message after all, just edit it as needed and hit the send button. To remove the draft, simply tap the delete button. It's important to note that Messenger can only store one draft at a time. So if you start a new draft message in a different conversation, the previous draft will be overwritten and lost. That's all there is to finding and removing draft messages in Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.